You are here.
No, I don't wanna love you, 'cause I know how you are. Somewhere over the rainbow. That's why I haven't called you, 'cause I know you could possess my body. I know you couldn't.